4 national champions in this race. All right. We got 3 national champions in this race. All of them in the GT class, except for Jason Smith, who won Mini. Jason Smith's about to lay it down. All right. Timmy Ballas, you're going to go at the sound of the tone. Everybody else is going to go when I call your number. You guys are really fast, so I'm going to call them really quick. So, Timmy, you're ready? All right. Turn marshals are ready? Good luck to you all. Listen for the tone. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8. No, he just waited. The thing is, you don't want to wait too long, because otherwise the clock won't catch you. All right, guys, you guys are really fast, so work together. You got 2 qualifiers in the main. You're all guaranteed to make the main. Work together. All right, I see a lot of NSXs. I see a lot of Rakiris. I think I see a Subaru BRZ in there somewhere. Right now, car number 4 out front, coming to start-finish line right now. That is Edgar Fialos, driving the TA07 MSX, going into the sweeper. Oh, I think that was Timmy Ballas rolling it. Nope. Who rolled it? That was car number 2. Car 2 was, oh, Danny. Danny rolled it. Work together, guys. Work together. If the car's behind you that's faster, it's okay to let it through. Straight away, all clear. So this 13.5 fixed timing motor seems to be about as fast as 17.5 is now open motor. Holy moly. Work together, work together. Matt Allen driving car number 5. Matt Allen's sitting in 2nd spot right now. So Edgar Fiala's out front, followed by Matt Allen, Timmy Ballas, Hector Martinez, Christopher Cabrales, Chen Luke, Danny Hua, Jason Smith, and Dominic. That is your running order. Fast lap for Edgar, 10.4, 10.5 for Matt Allen, 10.9 for Timmy, 10.5 for Hector, Chen Luke, 10.9, 11.5 for Christopher, 10.6 for Danny, 10.8 for Jason, 11.9 for Dominic. Work together. You see the Repsol looking NSX going down the straightaway. That is your current leader, Edgar Fialos. Matt Allen driving I think he's driving a Subaru BRZ in 2nd spot. Matt Allen driving car number 5. You see number 5, that is 2nd spot. In 3rd, car number 1. Number 2, just so you know, that's your leader behind you. Work together, everybody. Work together. Matt, the 7, that's 2nd spot behind you. Flame job, that's 2nd spot behind you. Thank you. Timmy Ballas, let's see what he's driving. Chart of 1. There he is. That's the Subaru. He's driving the Subaru BRZ. So Timmy Ballas throwing it in there. Hanging in there with the leaders. Work together, guys. Work together down the straightaway you go. Race 11 should be intact. Race 12 should start thinking about it. Running order: Edgar, Allen, Ballas, Martinez, Cabrales, Luke, Hua, Smith, and Kurvitz. 1:30 to go. Clear track for our leader. Down the straightaway he goes. Edgar Fialos, 2004, I think it was, 2005 maybe. F1 Formula 1 champion. Timmy Ballas, GT2 champion. GT1, sorry, Joe, he was GT1. Matt Allen, GT2 champion. Jason Smith, Mini champion. So 4 national champions. Matt Allen driving the number 5 car. The Rakiri. Down the straightaway he goes. He's got a clear track in front of him. He's got Edgar as far as the line of sight. Work together. Car number 3, just so you know, the 2nd qualifier is right behind you. Car number 3 is Hector Martinez. Thank you, Hector. So this is the premier class. This is the fast guys. These guys have been doing it for a while. These guys have talent. These guys have speed. Car number 4 is in the lead at the ripe old age of 62 years of age today. Out front. Steel wheel a car at that age. Keep going, everybody. Keep going. Work together. Matt Allen, clear track in front of him. Oh, 2 BRZs down the straightaway. Oh, Timmy kissing the straightaway. Oh, Timmy, you were done, so it doesn't matter. Everybody's done. Everybody's done. Everybody's done. Taking the win there, Edgar Fialos. 29.503. Matt Allen, 29.503.9. Edgar got him by 0.8 of a second. Timmy Vallis with a 28.503. 28.505 for Christopher Cabrales. Martinez, 28.506. Chen Luke, 28.509. 27.501 for Danny. Jason, 26.501. Dominic, 23.502. It should be in. Hold on a second, guys. Take a minute break here.